Are you considering Ally Bank? Is it worth the hype? Let's dive into the pros and cons to help you decide if Ally Bank is the right fit for your financial needs. Ally Bank has been making waves in the online banking industry, offering a range of financial products with competitive rates and minimal fees. But is it worth opening an account? In this video, we'll break down the key features, benefits, and potential drawbacks to help you make an informed decision. Pros of Ally Bank. High-yield savings accounts. Ally Bank is renowned for its high-yield savings accounts, offering significantly higher interest rates than traditional brick-and-mortar banks. No minimum balance requirements, making it accessible to everyone. Easy-to-use online and mobile banking platform. No-fee checking accounts. Ally Bank offers fee-free checking accounts with unlimited ATM fee reimbursements. Easily accessible funds through a debit card and online banking. No monthly maintenance fees or minimum balance requirements. Competitive interest rates on loans. Ally Bank provides competitive interest rates on various loan products, including auto loans, personal loans, and mortgages. Simple online application process and quick approval times. Transparent terms and conditions with no hidden fees. Excellent customer service. Ally Bank is known for its exceptional customer service, with 24/7 live customer support. Efficient and knowledgeable customer service representatives. Positive customer reviews and ratings. User-friendly online and mobile banking. Ally Bank's digital banking platform is intuitive and easy to navigate. Mobile app allows you to manage your finances on the go. Secure and reliable online banking features. Cons of Ally Bank. Limited branch network. As an online-only bank, Ally Bank doesn't have physical branches. May be inconvenient for those who prefer in-person banking. Steeper learning curve for tech-averse individuals. While the online platform is user-friendly, it may require some adjustment for those unfamiliar with digital banking. Is Ally Bank right for you? Ideal for tech-savvy individuals. If you're comfortable with online banking and value high interest rates and low fees, Ally Bank is an excellent choice. Not suitable for those needing in-person banking. If you require frequent access to physical branches, Ally Bank may not be the best option. Tips for maximizing your Ally Bank experience. Set up auto transfers. Automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Utilize Ally Invest. Explore Ally Invest for investing in stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Take advantage of mobile banking. Use the Ally Bank mobile app to manage your finances on the go. Contact customer service for assistance. Don't hesitate to reach out to Ally Bank's customer service for any questions or concerns. Ally Bank offers a compelling proposition for those seeking a convenient, fee-free, and high-interest banking experience. While the lack of physical branches may be a drawback for some, the numerous benefits, including competitive rates, excellent customer service, and user-friendly digital banking, make it a strong contender in the online banking market. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to open an Ally Bank account depends on your individual financial needs and preferences. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.